Yeah, folks, I thought we'd do another mini lock Monday in the interest of clearing through some of these locks I've still got to pick from Lockmania, which one from is Christmas giveaway 2024. I thought I'd have a go on this Ifam E30. Nice little padlock. There's a keyway, and here's the bitting on the key. So let's have a little go on this. Which way shall I pick? Let's go pins down for a change. I like to mix it up. I'll go bottom of the keyway. I'm going to use this lovely custom pick from the legendary Tob Lawn. So movement on the core. There we go. She's open. Sorry, better I'll zoom out. There we go. Yeah, so that's that. Not a difficult pick. I think some spools in there because of a fold set. Yeah. Ifam E30. That's it for now, folks. Till next time. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.